People, I'm back with a weather video on Winter Storm Taylor and the severe side of Winter Storm Taylor. So, yeah, let's jump right in. Currently across the Midwest portion of the United States, or the Ohio Valley, which is Indiana, Ohio, and those states, but you can see there's some light snow going across. Mostly Illinois, central Illinois, southern Iowa, or Indiana. It'll intensify throughout the night, like by the time it gets to West Virginia and stuff. Virginia. There's some showers tomorrow. Maybe by tomorrow afternoon, maybe even some light thunderstorms. Nothing severe. Nothing very strong or severe. Maybe just some strikes of lightning, like in the Tennessee area, that area. But yep, Winter Storm Taylor will likely pop out by, let me look at my chart for Zulu time. This is at 3 a.m. on Saturday morning. You can see Winter Storm Taylor starting to form across the areas of South Dakota, North Dakota, even Nebraska, maybe portions of northern Kansas. We're maybe seeing some freezing rain at the beginning. But other than that, there's some showers, not really thunderstorms. But then, throughout Saturday, the snow will get bigger. A pretty good chance for some freezing rain in Iowa and maybe Minnesota. But look at the strength of this low pressure system. Just look at this. It's a 993 millibars. That's pretty strong for literally in central Kansas. Exact middle of the United States. It's very strong for low pressure there. But a very classic storm system. You got the cold front, you have the storms, you have the snow, and the freezing rain. Yeah, you could actually see some pretty heavy freezing rain and sleet in maybe northern Iowa. And pretty much all Iowa could possibly see freezing rain, other than maybe the extreme southwest part. But this is as of 11 Zulu, so this is 6 a.m. Saturday morning. Freezing rain going. See, maybe some thunderstorms in like the Kansas, Oklahoma area, but other than that, pretty much just showers. No severe weather at this time, just showers. These showers over here are from that little appetizer system that's going across Indiana and Illinois right now, some snow. Maybe like an inch to 2 inches. That'll intensify over here, but yes. But look at that, 994 millibars. That's pretty significant. Okay, so this is at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning. Freezing rain is starting to get more into the Iowa area. The heavy snow across the North Dakota and South Dakota and even Nebraska regions. Maybe a little bit of snow on the backside going through Kansas. Just a little bit on extreme northern Kansas in the backside. But yeah, it's looking like a pretty classic storm system. You got the cold front, the warm front making some freezing rain. And then you got the heavy snow. It's going to be a pretty strong storm system. But at this time, severe storms may be going across like Arkansas, portions of eastern Texas, maybe even Kentucky. We need to keep an eye watching that because that looks pretty significant. Even Missouri. Not the strongest storms, but as we keep on going, this is as of noon on Saturday. This is noon. You can see pretty heavy freezing rain going through portions of Iowa, northern, northeastern right now. Mostly central, northern central. And you got the heavy snow starting to make its way into the Minnesota area, but still in North Dakota and South Dakota and portions of Nebraska. Maybe some light snow showers in Kansas. You can see this is hinting us like some extreme northern Kansas, maybe the most northern county. And the northern part of that county could be seeing a light snow shower. No accumulation, probably. But it's going to be so little. But yeah, this time severe storms and maybe some tornado warnings will be popping up most likely across pretty much the the whole region. Like you can see the storm's pushing out like this. Got another band right there and the cold front right there. And you got this glop of snow and freezing rain there. A lot of freezing rain. Let's go ahead another 3 hours. This is 3 p.m. on Saturday. You can see the severe thunderstorms will be going strong. Heavy rain for portions of Indiana, possibly. Maybe up to 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches in a short period of time. Probably not severe, but there may be some lightning. As temperatures, the ground will probably be, let's click for sounding, 38 degrees. Not really going to prompt severe thunderstorms. But, yep, the snow is really getting into Minnesota, Minneapolis. Still maybe some freezing rain from Minneapolis, like a wintry mix at first. But you see, as we go ahead another 3 hours, this is 6 p.m. Saturday. You can see Minneapolis will be all heavy snow. Wisconsin will be starting to get on some of the sleet, freezing rain, wintry mix action. Heavy snow, too, in the places it's all snow. Severe storms could be mostly to the north of, not going to be that strong, but there's going to be more widespread rain across, north of Georgia, north of Alabama. This is the cold front line right there, where the cold front is. And if we go ahead to another 3 hours, this is as of 2 Zulu time, which is 9 p.m. Saturday, you can see the snow pretty much all in Wisconsin. Freezing rain line at the beginning is just getting up into Michigan. Maybe some severe storms across the south still, but probably will likely be in, they probably will likely be in this area. And if not, I'm gonna do this with the blue. There's a possible chance of them being in this area. And the possible chance of them being in this area. Likely not this area, but possibly down there, because it's going to be pretty warm. If we click for a sounding down here in the south, look at that dew point. Dew point and rain, literally right matchup. That's going to be a lot of... the dew points are very high of this system. So I'm expecting a lot of rain and possibly good chance for flooding. But let's track over. Let's give a little sneak peek of the winter storm that possibly may be happening early to midway through next week. If we click here. Alright, you can see this is Winter Storm Taylor. Then, as we go through next week, likely Monday night, there's going to be some widespread showers, maybe some rain across the south. Texas, Louisiana, maybe Arkansas and Oklahoma. But if you go ahead 12 or 6 hours, you can see it'll start moving north and further north. Maybe even by 1 a.m. on Tuesday morning, maybe some freezing rain starting to come into Nebraska, central northern Nebraska, some snow too. But some heavy rain, look at this. Temperature is 41 degrees there, so it's not really close to snowing, but yeah, so likely be whatever letter comes after T. I don't know which letter it is, but yeah, likely there could be a lot of freezing rain at this, it looks like. Not as heavy snow until probably Wednesday night across extreme northern United States, but could also have a severe threat across the south that may last a while. Look at this. This is early. This is 1 a.m. on Thursday morning. Look at the shape of this storm. You got the low pressure there of 986 is a very strong low pressure. Look how big this is. It's so freaking big. It's humongous. Now I'll bring some rain down to the southeast. And it'll pretty much wrap up. Be out of the United States, thunderstorm by 1 a.m. Sunday morning. Then have a pretty lingering snow system that may literally last all week in the United States from Monday to Sunday. But the snow part will probably be out of the United States into Canada probably by Friday morning time frame. But yes, there'll be a video probably out in this after Winter Storm Taylor, probably on like Sunday night, Monday. But yes, I hope y'all have a good evening, and I will be posting tomorrow. Goodbye.